Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using some fabric and a piece of wood from Dollar Tree as well as some dowel caps that I got from Hobby Lobby. The piece of wood is just under 16 inches. I make a marking about halfway and then 2 inches in on either end. I then add wood glue to the dowel caps and place those down on the markings and then let them set for about half an hour before working with this piece again. Next, I'm working with the fabrics, and these I got from Amazon. I fold them over onto themselves and put a piece of masking tape to keep the pieces together. And then on the back side of the fabric, I am tracing out this wooden heart that I got from Dollar Tree. I then cut that heart out with some pinking shears. I do that to all 3 of the style fabrics I'll be using. Next, I take tacky glue and I use a small paintbrush and apply that to the edge of the back side of one of the hearts. I don't add the glue to the bottom portion of the heart. I will be leaving that open. I then take the other heart, so the nicer sides of the fabric are on the outside, on the front and the back. I use my heat tool to make sure that glue is fully adhered. And then take some fiber fill that I got from Walmart and tuck that into the heart, filling it nice and tight. That way, after I close up the bottom, I can adjust it to have it filled all the way through. I add tacky glue to the portion I didn't fill in earlier, and then put those 2 pieces together, again using my heat tool to make sure that's fully adhered. I do that and make 3 different hearts. Next, I'm taking the wood piece and painting that with linen color chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. Next, I'm hot gluing on some little twine bows to the fronts of the hearts, and then hot gluing a little button in the center of those. I take some twine and I'm just kind of eyeballing how long I need to make it up against the heart. I then make a knot. I then cut away the excess and hot glue that to the back of the heart. I then hang each of those on top of the dowel caps, and I'll be using command strips to hang it on the wall. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.